What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to add some smarts to your home automation routine or just simplify simple aspects of your life, the SwitchBot Curtain 3 is one of the best accessories out there, and I'm going to preface this video by letting you know this is in no way, shape, or form sponsored. They didn't send me the product, pay me to review this. I purchased it with my own money, and I truly do think this is a great product for you guys to check out. So I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. If you do want to pick them up, I greatly appreciate you using those links. It helps out the channel immensely. So having said that, the SwitchBot Curtain 3 have been out for a while now. They have been long known for some of the best quality products for opening blinds automatically or curtains. They come in single packs, double packs, and bundles with a mini hub as well to control it with your smart home of choice, whether that's Google or you know who. Don't want to say that name to trigger your system, so it is all built in right here as long as you have the hub. The installation literally took only a few minutes to do. You're just going to have to open the actual arms or teeth up and put them on both sides of the blinds. They work with different kind of curtains depending on how they are built, with loops or hooks or different things of that nature, and they can work on bars that are not actually completely seamless. It does make all the difference because you don't think about it, but the track itself, if it hit a bumps, some of these other ones that are out there just aren't capable of going over them. If you look at some of the knockoffs on Amazon too, yes, they're a little less expensive. However, they truly just don't give you that same quality. In the app as well, you do have the ability to speed them up or slow them down, open to only a certain percentage instead of an all open or all closed look. It is very customizable. And again, you can use your voice to trigger all of these commands as well, which I think personally is the biggest factor. And even if you don't have your phone on you or don't want to use your voice assistant to do it, you can gently tug on one of the blinds and they will automatically open. These are definitely going to be some of the nicest additions. Again, I use this one for my curtain, for my blinds, I should say. For my curtains. But if you want to use them for the blinds, they do have different ones that will twist and open and close them as well, with solar panels and the works if that's something you're interested in. Again, setup literally took probably 10 to 15 minutes. You just want to make sure they're charged. They do charge via USB Type-C, and everything in the box is everything you'll need to get going depending on every scenario for those curtains like we were explaining earlier. They do have little clips as well that you can literally clip together each of the rings to make sure they pull equal distance apart. Depending on your curtain you're using, you might be required to use them, but if not, you can simply not use them at all. It does come with a little magnet to use for calibration. I didn't even use it. I just set the distance and let it go like it asks. You can do it. It's two simple little magnets. It's very simple, but I didn't need it. I've heard from other reviewers as well that they didn't use it, and that is why I decided not to go with it. So aside from that, like I said, these kits can get kind of pricey with Amazon Prime Day coming up as well. You can get these for under $200 for the 2-pack with the hub if you just want the individual curtain. So if you just have one long curtain instead of splitting it in half, you can get that for only around $60 or $70, just depending on the time of purchase. But these have been one of the most awesome additions in my home. Also, aside from that, you can actually set these up on automation rules. So as soon as you get home, they'll open. As soon as you leave, they'll close. You can set them to trigger when just a certain person comes, certain times of day. So when the sun is rising, have them auto open for you. It is so seamless and flexible. I am very impressed with this. So that's it for this one. I wanted to keep it very short and sweet. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about the SwitchBot's curtains? Do you have them? What would you change? Obviously, again, this is the 3rd generation one. I'm sure we will be seeing an updated model in the near future, and I'm very curious to see what they do as far as motor noise and all that, because when it is on full speed, you definitely hear it. It's noticeable, has a higher pitch whine. It is not terrible by any means, and for the few seconds it is being used and opening, it's definitely doable. There is that quiet mode as well. It opens the curtains a lot slower, but it does sound very, very quiet. So hopefully in the next gen, they'd be able to kind of tweak that a little bit. But aside from that, these are a win. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.